OMG guys, my new fidget organizer just came. As you can see, my fidget organizer is getting a little bit overflowed, so I got a new one. I am super excited. Let's start organizing. Let's start with dumping everything on my bed. I also got these small organizers to help. Okay, let's dump it. Oh my god, this is so much. Guys, I have so many fidgets, and this isn't even all of them. Now I can get rid of these stupid buckets. This one's a really cute one. I might use it, but for now I'm not going to. Also this small one. Okay, but not to mention these cute holders they come with. Perfect, that's so cute. I'm just gonna tell you my plan now. The top is gonna be poppets, squishies, and all the rest of my fidgets. I'm gonna use these for some of my squishies and all my other stuff that doesn't fit. Let's start. Also my dimples are also gonna be in here, if they all fit. Let's collect all my poppets. Alright, so I think that's the majority of them. So let's start. We're gonna start with square. Now we're gonna do hexagon. I'll be back when I'm done with my poppets. Okay, so I'm done with the poppets. Now let's do my dimples. I forgot to mention also my mini poppets. So I think I have all of them. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna decide to keep these guys up like this. I'm also gonna put this octopus dimple there. I also put this one here so it's like tight. Also these ones wouldn't fit here. I'll just be back when this is done. This took forever, but I'm finally done. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty good. It was getting a little bit harder here, but I managed to do it. Okay, so on the second drawer, we're gonna do stress.
AC kills a bee.